Today, I talk about the place. Describe a place where you saw animals. I want to talk about my visit in the Saigon Zoo last year. It is in Ho Chi Minh City. I went there with my husband and two kids on a Sunday. The zoo is not new, but it has many trees and green areas. We saw animals like elephants, giraffes, monkeys, and tigers. My children were very happy, especially when they saw the monkey. The monkeys was funny and jumped a lot. I like the birds area. There were many birds in the big car. They were colorful and beautiful. The zoo is a bit old, but the animals look healthy. I feel very happy because I had time with my family. I also liked that my kids could learn about animals and nature. It was a fun and relaxing day.